Magkano yung ganito kalit?
25.
25 pesos. Okay.
Guys, parang extra rice lang. It's a Saturday, no work, so what we decided to do today is put some green color in the house. That's why we're here. Hello, shout out to all the plantitos and plantitas.
Yung may purple, 50 pesos lang.
Okay. Asan tayo, babe? I have no idea where we are.
Violeta Village, Tabangi Ginto, Bulacan.
Alright. This is a plant heaven. It's everywhere. As in, it goes all the way until that street. I honestly have no clue sa mga halaman. So, to all those na kinakareer ang planting, guys, super mura dito. Ito yung parang maganda na nagustuhan ko. And it's just 50 pesos. My goodness.
So, yung Tabang Ginto is really known for tindahan ng plants, landscaping, contractors. Pero, hindi alam ng mga tao na yung nandun sa highway is doble yung presyo. Yung mga bahay ng mga garden sa labas, dito sila nakatira sa loob ng Violeta Village. Pero sobrang mas mura syempre dito sa loob kasi hindi sila accessible ng mga turista dun sa highway.
Okay.
So halos lahat ng bahay dito nagtitinda ng halaman. Pero babalik tayo sa highway mamaya kasi nandun yung mga pots.
Grabe, 150, 85. Ano daw?
25 pesos.
Okay.
Yung horsetail. Ito, 150. Ito kaya wala kayong mas malaki-laki. Magkano yung ganito kalit?
25.
25 pesos. Okay.
Guys, parang extra rice lang. So, habang naghahanap tayo ng mas makapal na horsetail plant, would like to remind you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, KCL Crew. And again, please make sure that the subscribe button is colored gray. Third stop, same street, still inside the village. Look at that. Ayan o, so pag lumaki siya, ganyan siya. Looks cute. Okay, so for all the plantitas, highly recommended that you go to this place kasi sobrang bagsak presyo po ang mga halaman dito. So far, lahat sa Bulacan ay mas mura. And we're loving it. So guys, pag pupunta kayo dito, pinakalooban, dun sa dulo kayo pupunta. Kasi yung mga nasa bungad na mga tindahan, mas mahal. So yung mga nakatira nga pala dito is yung mga taong nagtitinda dun sa North Expressway. And the prices there are higher, but like what we mentioned earlier, mas mura dito sa loob kasi it's in the village. Babe, Punta ako doon.
Meron din.
Hindi, ang ganda lang eh. Uy, ganda ng house. Uy, ang putik. Look at this, guys. Oh! So, I have a strong feeling na ito po ay pagmamayari ng bahay na yun. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda. Nakakagulat yung mga price. 50, 25, 15, 100. So, guys, dun kasi sa village namin, sa model house unit, may gantong plant sa labas. And I totally fell in love with it. Looks like a Christmas tree. Or alam niyo yung freshener sa mga taxi dati. Tapos, yung hinahanap namin, ang dami. That's what we like.
Hindi tayo kumuha ng horsetail.
Oo, yeah.
Horsetail.
Tsaka sakto na yung height niya, oh.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi na natin naantayin. Magkano
Yun
daw?
naman pong horsetail, hindi na po siya tumataas.
Oo.
Okay.
Puro mga 2-3 piso yun ang height nito.
So, hayaan lang ganyan.
Pero kakapal yun eh.
Kakapal po, hanggang sa mapuno po yung lupa niyang lalagyan.
Okay. Kunin mo na yung kotse. Let's purchase. So, this reminds me of my lolo and lola's plant outside of the house. And look, they also sell succulents here. And those golden pots that you see in the mall na I'm sure mas mura dito. Look at that! What the heck is this? Sili na purple. Look! In the process of choosing which one over these babies. See you at home. We bought some babies. So now it is time to buy some pots. We found the pot place. That didn't sound right.
Smoke it every day.
Let's make it into Tagalog. Mga paso. Bow. So we're looking for the rectangular, slim na paso. 700. They sell pebbles and stones and rocks. So sa mga mas exposed kasi sa amin, the big one that we asked there was 700 pesos. I'm sure it's more expensive back there in Manila. Hi guys! So what we're gonna do today is pot the plants. I chose white pots. Initially, it's just in this bag. Okay, so para lumaki siya, we have to transfer it. Tayong mga paso. We went over to Mandaue and sobrang mura ng pots. Set of 3 na siya. Show your hands. Yeah! So, niripat na po niya yung malaking plant. Long overdue kasi nga ang tagal namin bago makahanap ng pot. And it's mura. It's about 2.5. Oh, guys, see, naka-sale siya. There you go. Maganda rin naman yung pot na binili namin sa Tabang. Like this one. Diba? So, naka-discount kami sa Mandaue when we bought the pots, some vases, some fake flowers because of this card. It's actually called the Mandaue Home Card. It's just 700 to 800 pesos and it's already lifetime membership and sobrang laki ng discount na makukuha mo. During our first purchase, sobrang bawin-bawi na. Ilang percent, babe, yung discount? Do you remember? Ayun. So, it's 20% on regular items. And they also specifically told me that you can actually actually let this to any of your friends or family members. Hindi kailangan ng picture or whatever. You can just, you know, give your card to anyone who's gonna be purchasing anything sa Mandaue, and they will be able to give the discount, diba? So, it's a good buy. So, thank you so much, Mandaue, for this special offer that you're giving to your customers. Hello po, magandang hapon. Dumating na po ang aming lupa galing Cariapay. So, we use that lupa kasi mas healthy na may kasamang bulati. What's bulati? Worms. Pag may bulati, ibig sabihin healthy ang lupa for our... So guys, FYI, ariko, yung mga mahahaba natin dito, ginugupit po namin yan. Tapos, nilalagay namin sa bote. And after lumabas ang mga ugat, mga roots, tinatanim namin ulit siya dyan para dumami. And ang bilis dumami ng horsetail plant.
Mommy, I can see so many worms. They're back. Yes, they're all. They're moving.
Worm lang yan. Oh, it's moving. So, kumakapal na ang aming horsetail.
Worms, come out.
Their food is the lupa. You don't have to bring food for them.